Hello YouTubers, I'm Parvez and this is our second video on Python and Google Maps. So in the previous video we had a simple introduction on Gmaps and how you can use that in Jupyter Notebook. So these are the examples. So in this video I want to show you that how you can customize map width and height, and also how you can use Heatmap in Gmaps. So now let's get started. I have created a new Jupyter Notebook. Now you need to import Gmaps, and after that for the configuration you need to add gmaps.configure, and in here you need to add your API key. So right now I'm not adding my API key. Let me run this. Gmaps.configure. Okay, so after this, now let me create a figure layout. So this is a dictionary of width and height. So for the width I'm going to give it for example 450 pixel, and for the height I want to give it 450 pixel. Also you can give border, so border I'm going to give it 3 pixel solid red. Also you can give padding, for example 3 pixel. Okay, so and at the end you can gmaps.figure. You need to add the layout in here, figure layout. Let me copy and paste this in here. Let me run this. So now you can see we have this is our we have give a width and height for us. We have specified, so this is the width and this is the height. We have given a border 3 pixel red border, and this is we have customized the width and height. And the another topic that I want to talk that is creating heatmaps. So heatmaps are a good way of getting a sense of the density and clusters of geographical events. Now for this okay, first let me in here import gmaps.datasets. Okay, at the top so at the top of example I have created the gmaps.configure. At the end I will add my API key in here. First let me write the rest of the code. So I want to create a locations in here, and for the locations I'm going to use the dataset from the Gmaps, datasets.load underscore dataset as df data frame, and in here let me write the data name like this. Okay, now I'm going to create my figure. So gmaps.figure, and I want to add the map type. So this should be hybrid. Let me create a heatmap layer. Gmaps dot heat map layer, and for the locations okay, let me add locations in here. Locations. Now we need to add our layer to the figure, so add layer, and I want to add the heatmap layer in here. Now we need to plot the fig. So before this, I'm going to add my API key at the top. So let me pause the video and add my API key. Okay, so I have added my API key. Now I'm going to run this. So let me just it is not working. I don't know why. Gmap.dataset. So let me just check this. Okay guys, now the problem was with my internet connection. Now you can see that this is our heatmap. Also you can set max intensity and also point radius for the heatmap. So you can do dot max intensity, make it 200, and dot point radius, make it to 5, and so you can add this. Let me just cut this, and you need to add this in here. So in this section, now let me run this again. So now I'm waiting because I have a little bit low internet connection, so it will take a little bit. So now you can see that this is the result, and we have set the max intensity and also radius. So you can set the color gradient of the map by passing in a list of colors. So Google Maps will interpolate linearly between these colors. Okay, now for this, in here you can so let me just remove this, and I need just heatmap layer. Okay, so heatmap layer dot gradient, and you need to add the colors in here. So let me add a white, and add silver, and also gray, like this. So now let me just run this. You will see. So now I'm waiting. Timeout error. So let me run it again. Okay, sorry guys, I have problem in here, so change this. Okay, now let me run it again, and now I'm waiting. Now you can see guys, this is a gradient color that we have added. If you don't want like this, you can set, for example, an RGB color for this. If you want, you can do this. So thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know, and I will add the source code to the video description. Subscribe my channel and also share the video.